today we're going to remove some window tint from our car. This one doesn't meet the standards of our state. It's too dark, and so it'll fail inspection if we try to get it passed. We did one earlier over here, and we were able to get it off without leaving any glue residual on the window. Okay, all you'll need is some 409, some trash bags, and a scraper. And you can get this scraper at your any auto parts store. So what we did was we cut our trash bag, we sprayed our windshield with 409, and then we put our trash bag back up here. Before we started, we took a towel and shoved it down here because 409 on your door plastic probably isn't a good idea. Took a little bit of precaution to protect our plastic underneath here, our door panel. So now we're going to take this off, and we let it sit in the sun for 30 minutes. We pulled the car out of the garage, we let it sit in the sun for 30 minutes. Right now I'm just trying to just scrape a little bit off so I can get a place where I can pull it, and then I'll be able to pull the entire, just trying to scrape a little bit off, and then I'll be able to pull the entire window screen off. Here we go. Once you get it started, it's really gonna come off easily. And it takes the glue with it. We'll take this out. And it all stays together. So that's also a good part. So you might have a little bit of glue. It's not perfect, but heck, it's pretty darn good. Just take some Windex, and we'll Windex this right off, and pretty much you've been able to take your tint off with leaving little residual in the window, and it's very easy for everyone to do. It's very affordable. So we just finished taking our tint off. There's a few areas that has some glue on it. We're just gonna spray it off with some Windex and wipe it down, and that will take all the glue off that was left on the window. Shouldn't be too bad. Just a little elbow grease. And there you have it. Save yourself about $200. Instead of having some detailer do it for you, you can do it yourself. And you'll pass inspection. Thanks for watching, and if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, Martin's Used Cars and Collectibles.